Hi everyone, welcome to Math Q&A. In this video, you're going to be looking at other two examples of series. So, in the previous video, we explained what series are and we gave a few examples. So now, we're going to look at the first example, which also emphasizes on the fact that you must be careful where you put the brackets when you're dealing with this kind of series. Now, let's say sigma. You've got sigma. Let's just bring it down a bit. Okay, fine. Where n is equal to 1 up to 3, and the rule is 2n. Now, when you expand this equation, you're going to increment n from 1 up to 3, and then while you're incrementing it, you're putting in into n, adding those values. So which means now we've got 2 multiplied by 1, plus 2 multiplied by 2, plus 2 multiplied by 3. When you sum all these values, they give you 2 times 1, which is 2, plus 2 times 2, which is 4, plus 2 times 3, which is 6. 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 6 is 12. Example number 2. Let's say a sum. N is equal to 1 up to 3. Let's say now I've got 2n plus 1. Now, when you take the sum, now we have 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 3 plus 1. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. Plus 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Now, 5 plus 3 plus 7. 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 7 is 15. Now, if you look at this example, you can see that we've got 2n plus 1 and this whole thing is in brackets. Now, let's take the same example, but let's just change something. Say now, we have a sum, example number 3, where n is equal to 1 up to 3, and then we've got 2n, and we have plus 1 outside. Please note that only what is in the bracket belongs to the sigma, and everything else from there is not. Okay, now from there, I'm going to say that n is equal to 1 up to 3 of 2n plus 1. If expanded, it's equal to, now the sigma itself, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a big bracket also and separate this thing with the 1. So I'm going to sort this out. So now when I expand this, I find 2 times 1 plus 2 times 2 plus 2 times 3. And then finally, plus 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 1. 2 plus 4 is 6, plus that is 12, plus 1. This is 13. Now you can see that this answer is not the same as the previous answer with like we've gotten. And the reason is that we actually shifted the bracket. Okay. Okay. Well, thank you.